Vlogs a lot. So today's Fall Vlogs day 1, and this video is pre-recorded. Um, Today I'm gonna go to like this farm, so um you guys are gonna come along today. So yeah, and I don't know what outfit I'm gonna choose. I'm probably gonna choose this one because I'm gonna probably go with this one. So basically, this is how I think I showed it in the other vlog, like a long time ago. I know I still have the price tag. I haven't taken it because, not that I'm gonna return it, but it's just that but yeah, so that's how it looks. I don't know if I should go with this one, or if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn post notifications if you haven't. Make sure to comment down below what other videos you guys want to come out with. Follow my Instagram damn vlogs a lot so you guys can know if I post a new posting for 25 days until Thanksgiving. And yeah, and then you guys have to stay tuned. If you have an idea to do for fall vlogs, for day 13 to 23, you guys can put it in the comments down below or on my Instagram, damn vlogs a lot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do some jeans. Sorry, I'm gonna be wearing these type of jeans with a black shirt, but I don't know if I have black shirts. But it's really cold outside, so like it's kind of cold. I'm not saying it's cold. You know, I could wear this one, this shirt with jacket. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna be wearing that jacket. I'm gonna be having this drink. Oh wait, I can't add a lot because so my stomach is like really hurting. So I'll try this salt. I'm just joking, it's not salt. It's like something that helps your stomach. It's 8 o'clock and I'm trying to leave like around 8:25, so, or 8:30. So like the whole day at the farm, and I think I'm just gonna be there for, you guys are gonna have 25 days of straight me vlogging or normal video. So I don't know if you guys are happy. Like, I know that some people have telling me like, oh, I want to see you like vlog every day, people, and I'm gonna be vlogging every day until Thanksgiving. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower right now and see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I'm heading off, and right now it's 9:31 a.m. and I said I was gonna leave at 8 or 9, but it was raining, so I didn't go. Like, it already opened like 31 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago. So yeah. Stop for food for breakfast. So yeah. But I'm gonna vlog over there, so see you guys over there. So I got my sandwich from McDonald's. They took a long time for it, but
make a U-turn, then take a slight right turn.
It's okay. So I'm gonna be eating this. show you guys what there is.
Put it back. Here we
She told me she wants to get parachute. Skydiving.
Look at these butterflies. I got them. Let's go try to get new ones. So guys, we're in the core maze, and I know. So we're in the core maze. Let's see if we. Okay. So we're gonna figure out. Okay guys, so I'm leaving the festival and I got a turkey leg. Well, this is not for me because I didn't want it. This is for my auntie. So yeah, so it was great. I went on the zip line as I vlogged. I went on a hayride and I went on a core maze. What else? I got to feed the goats. I think, yeah, goats. And what else? ¿Es aquí? ¿Era aquí? I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah. So see you guys. I probably at Chick-fil-A or somewhere. I'm not sure.